Well, you gotta get through all these old oak trees. Turn right, turn left. Here's Queen Bess. Gotta deal with the code here. Can't tell you what the code is unless you're coming. What are these guys doing up here throwing these cast nets in my canal? Anyhow, this is the development. Queen Bess.
So they're still working?
Yeah, we still got people working at the Bluebird, so we're going to go check it out. Go check it out. Okay, I guess I can continue the tour. Afternoon, we still got some workers here doing sheetrock on the inside, but you can sort of see how you go up the side. But, obviously still doing some painting and what have you. Gives you an idea. I'll walk back over here. Got a big storage shed here that'll have 10-foot by 10-foot garage doors on it. So we'll open it up and have it for golf cart and whatever other stuff, barbecue pit we want in there. Then we can just go on up the stairs this way. We just step up there and then run on up the stairs. And all the scaffolding stuff's got to get moved. So we'll take you back this way. If you walked on through here, a little shed. We're gonna have a little shower area here. It's not set up yet, but you can see the water lines for that. And then right behind me towards the water, this round section, we're gonna have a cargo lift that will allow us to take suitcases, food, ice chest, what have you, all the way back up from the ground here to the top of the stairs where it gets loaded there and then up into the place. This is the boathouse. Still got the scaffolding for, we're going to run some water out here and run some power, and electricians need to get up in there, but it gives you an idea of what the boathouse looks like. And nice big deck. I'll walk you out in here so we can put all the boats we have in here, whatever size, 25 feet by a 12-foot slip, little fish area, and then down the canal we'll be able to put some lights and fish and have a little fun. So that's the going back in. What you see is a open air concrete area, flush, and then the screen porch that's being framed up. And that's the 6 o'clock whistle on Grand Isle, but you get an idea for the screen porch. And then the alley down the middle is 12 feet wide, so front to back you can drive all the way to the back if you wanted to drop off or pick up, you know, anything that's heavy and run it over to the cargo lift. So that's pretty much it. The ceiling, you may wonder, that's just foam to foam the floors, and then it's all going to be drop ceiling where we're going to have just a flat ceiling. You can see basically where the ceiling is going to be, where this siding stops. Be flat all the way across, and of course we'll light it up down here, and that'll be that. be acting. Now we got some guys fishing. Let's see if they catch any fish. Alright, so we're going in the house. In the house. Shoot right. Shoot right. See on the tying grid. Go to the back door. Be off the porch. Wildlife and Fisheries Research Station. Down the canal. Alright. Going in the master. That's it. Two bathrooms. Walk around. Small bath. All bath. Utility. Dryer. Yeah. Check out to the front. Another little kitchen will be dining room, front doors. Oops, not too fast. Front doors. And the TV room.
Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, then I'll watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching